You've probably heard whispers about Gemini, Google's latest and greatest AI. It's supposed to be a game changer, smarter than ever before. But here's the burning question: how many people are actually using this powerful tool? Let's be honest, numbers talk. In the AI world, user numbers tell a story about adoption, impact, and the potential for future growth. A massive user base can signal a truly revolutionary technology, while a smaller one might suggest a niche tool still finding its footing. So, let's dive in. How many users does Gemini actually have? Addressing the challenge. Unfortunately, there's no single, easy answer. Google, like many tech giants, is pretty tight-lipped about specific user numbers for its AI models. They release impressive demos, talk about groundbreaking research, but concrete user figures? Not so much. This makes our quest a bit of a detective story. We need to piece together clues from various sources to get a sense of Gemini's user base. Clue 1: Early Access Programs. One major clue comes from Gemini's early access programs. Google has been gradually opening up access to developers and researchers through these programs. While the exact number of participants is undisclosed, it's safe to assume it's a significant group. These early adopters are crucial for testing, providing feedback, and shaping the future of Gemini. Clue 2: Google's ecosystem. Gemini is deeply integrated into Google's ecosystem. It powers features in Google Search, Google Assistant, and other key products. This means millions, potentially billions, of people are indirectly interacting with Gemini without even realizing it. Think about it. When you ask Google Assistant a question, you are likely interacting with a version of Gemini working behind the scenes. When you refine your search results, Gemini is helping to understand your intent and surface the most relevant information. This widespread integration translates to a massive, albeit indirect, user base. Clue 3: Industry buzz and analyst predictions. The tech world is buzzing about Gemini. Industry analysts are closely watching its development and making predictions about its potential impact. While these predictions don't provide exact user numbers, they offer valuable insights into the perceived potential of Gemini. Many analysts believe Gemini has the potential to become a dominant force in the AI landscape. This suggests a strong belief in its future user base and its ability to attract a large and diverse audience. Clue 4: Competitive landscape. Looking at the competitive landscape can also give us some perspective. Other leading AI models, like OpenAI's GPT models, boast millions of users. While direct comparisons are tricky, the competitive pressure likely motivates Google to strive for similar levels of user adoption. Based on these clues, we can infer that Gemini likely has a significant user base, even at this early stage. Its integration into Google's products ensures a massive indirect user base. Early access programs provide a dedicated pool of developers and researchers actively experimenting with the model. And the industry buzz and analyst predictions point towards strong potential for future user growth. It's important to remember that user numbers are just one piece of the puzzle. While a large user base is crucial for success, factors like performance, safety, and ethical considerations are equally important. Gemini's true impact will depend on its ability to deliver real-world value, address potential biases and risks, and ultimately benefit society as a whole. So, while we don't have an exact number for Gemini's user base, the available evidence suggests a significant and growing community. Its integration into Google's products, early access programs, and the overall industry excitement all point towards a promising future. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.